In today's tutorial, you are going to learn how to enable microphone on iPhone. Okay, so microphone can be enabled in some apps that need them. All right, so follow me as I guide you on how you can enable that per individual apps installed on your smartphone. All right, so tap on the settings. As the settings page opens, scroll down until you get to the app you want to enable the microphone on it. So one of the apps that uses microphone on this my smartphone that is installed here is the one called Screen Recorder. Okay, it's a screen recording app which records audio as well. So I'll tap on it. Okay, as you can see here, the microphone feature is already enabled on the app. So if it's not enabled, just turn it on, all right? And you're good. If you use Snapchat or any other applications that require microphone, these are just the simple steps you need to take to get the microphone enabled on them. Thank you. I hope this guide helps. Please, if it does, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment. See you some other time.